In fact, right now the U.S. diet is close to 70% ultra-processed, which you think about, it's like crazy, and our kids are getting fat. But one thing that's interesting is like, because you're talking about the microbiome, right, our gut flora. When you eat like whole food, it goes farther down your digestive tract, and then our microbiome actually consumes some of it. Up to 22% of our calories can be consumed by our microbiome. But when you're just eating sugar, it goes straight in you. So those calories, your gut microbiome doesn't get any of that. So it's like you're absorbing more calories. So just by changing the quality of the food, you're changing how many calories you absorb, and that is what some people say is part of what leads to this obesity thing. But we know, like for instance, well, here's another thing. The USDA came out with a study like, 3 months ago. 91% processed food diet is healthy. This is what they're pushing, trying to get us, because they're trying to position us to say.
What was this study?
This was the USDA put it out. It was probably, I think it was the Nova study. I might have that on there, Jamie, but it's basically because there's starting to be backlash against ultra-processed foods. I mean, like South America is starting to ban this stuff, which I think, I'm not for banning food. I mean, I think that gets into, freedom of choice and things like that. So you shouldn't ban. Just like you can still smoke if you want to. It's not the best for you, so you don't want to do that.